Hi, buddy. Good evening. I'm doing Bugforge daily challenge Tanuki. Tanuki today. Hey, I missed this one. I went a bit rabbit hole for this. I'll show you what I was busy with. Okay, let's register password here. So register your name, wherever full name, password. I thought today the vulnerability is this because this one new. I think maybe this week when they do this one it will be because this community it wasn't before. This is new. I was playing here because you can create whatever your first things, and the interesting was the share one, and I said, oh, maybe because the share one you get a response. I was thinking today is about this one. I was trying to find what exactly this configuration, this hash is, but I missed the point. But today is more about this one. I can't sit and change your password. So for example, if I change password, let's say what I'm doing now, password one, oops, password 123 and password 123. If you change this and get your request, it's a post request to uh, API profile change password. Interesting past is this one. It send the username. Of course, you can say, oh, change admin there, and if you do that, it will tell you response. You only change your own password, so you can't, even if you try the old tricks, some admin like that, it detects it even if you say anything. Where's my star, for example? Doesn't. So it only it detects, so you can change your own password for my username, but anything else doesn't work if it detects that you're not. So the question is what we can do about this. Look, for example, if I change my own password, the correct response, it tell you this part, account updated one. What is one? It's a hint. It means it can update more than once. So it is account update one. So if I can send two username here, so I need to change this JSON to send two username. To do that in JSON, you can do you open the bracket. Let's make it so not confused. Let's close it. And then you can do, for example, there, and then ask your admin this. So that's the, can you make this one bigger? Doesn't get more bigger. So you have a username, and then because it's a one here, so it means it can do more than one. So I can send the first one, trick it with it, and then through the next one, which is admin. So you just do that bracket to bracket, then you put username. Then that's how JSON, multi-JSON work. So if I send that, it said password interview number 2 now. So we are in a 2, and you can see the request. You can see it's a proper done JSON. If you do it in row, you can see it. I'm sending username into bracket admin, and it do it. Now let's test it. If I take this password and if I log out from there and you come back here and just log as an admin, and guess what? I'm in admin. If I go to admin there, and you can see today you can see there what is this user, and you can see your today flag in admin email address. That's it, guys, for today. This is type I'm not sure what you call it, mass assignment, not assignment. I'm not sure what vulnerability is. Thank you, everybody, and have a good night.